Hey everyone, it's your host Triple C. How's everyone doing today? I hope everyone's having a great day. And I'm going to be going over a store that needs some recognition from because he did such an amazing job on my headquarters that I like to give him a little bit of props for his store because he did an amazing job, and I think I wanted to show off some of his stuff that he's done so far. He has a lot of G.I. Joe vehicles that I'm going to show off. He has over 70 items, so I'm not going to do every single item, but his store on Etsy. The name of his store is ModelA3D. Hang on, sorry. ModelA3DHobby. Capital A, capital M, capital A, capital D, capital H. On Etsy. But he has several vehicles that I want to go over. He has his own Auto Striker that he's done that has actually 2 rows of seats. Let's try this. But he also has Snowcat. He has the Snowcat is pretty awesome. He has it in files, but he also sells 3D printed models of this stuff. He only has the prices listed for the files, so you gotta ask him about the 3D printed stuff if you want any of it. He has the Locust Copter. And he has a regular version of the Auto Striker. Let me try it. There we go. And now when you buy these, you gotta specify what color you want them printed in, and you got to you gotta put them together when you get them. But he also has a Rattler. Now this Rattler mold is based out of the original one, so it doesn't have the folding wings like the new one does. But it's still, if you miss out on a Rattler, he sells them for a decent price too. He has the Asp. And he has a version 2 of a Locust that he created. Which is pretty cool, actually. Instead of propellers. And this is the headquarters, but with the upgrades on it. Let's get Doctor's office there. And then on the other side, this is the second floor if you want a second floor for this. There's an armory there. This one, like I said the other day, is more expensive than the one I have. About $400 more. I think you gotta talk to him about that. But he sells all his files for very cheap. I mean, the very low price, which is very respectable of him to do that. So if you want the files, you can get the files for, most of these files are under $30. 90% of them are under $30. Like the one I see on here right now, is the Rattler for $29.80. I don't see. He has a tank for $40. Now this isn't the color of a tank, but it's just a render, a computer render. I'm hoping that this is coming out clear. But yeah, he has a lot of Star Wars stuff too. Like, let me show some of the good Star Wars stuff. Oh wait, here's the other version of the base. And the price for the file for the headquarters is only $22.35. So I mean, it's a really good price. Now this is Darth Vader's meditation chamber he has, which is really cool. And I thought I'd show you that because I thought this is really cool. And like I said, he sold all this stuff as a file or printed, but you gotta toss it him if you want it printed. The only thing that listed on here are the files. This is the train from Boba Fett, of the Book of Boba Fett. I don't really remember that train, because I didn't really watch that show. And all his files work in 1/12, 1/18, and 1/6, I think, or 1/8. I can't remember. Yeah, it's 1/12, 1/18, and 1/8, I believe. But yeah, so you can get these all 1/6. Sorry. Wow, that's huge. I don't know, whoever wanted a 1/6 version of any of this stuff, you must have a lot of room. Then he has Jar Wars Palace, which is pretty cool also. Now, I wouldn't mind getting that, even though I don't have Star Wars anymore. That'd be a cool display piece. But I just wanted to show some of this stuff off. Now, he also has this puppy for sale, which is incredible that he actually does this. This is not the original, this is his 3D printed version of the sail barge. And again, it comes in 1/12, 1/18, and 1/6. So I thought you guys would like to see this kind of thing. But yeah, this guy is really nice too. He does a lot of commissions, and he'll work with you. So it took me over several months to get the headquarters done. So he's a really nice guy. This is the Imperial dropship. That's pretty cool. Now, my next project with him is going to be the bug that for G.I. Joe, and I'll be showing it off as soon as I get it, probably February. The Sandcrawler. He has more G.I. Joes at planned if the backers of the project go through. He told me a few of them. Someone asked him to do the wolf, the Cobra Wolf, and the Mobile Command Center. So we'll see if that happens, if they actually go through with that. But this is ModelA3DHobby. This is capital H, capital A, capital D, and capital capital M, capital A, capital D, capital H. ModelA3DHobby. He's a very nice guy. If you want to talk to him, go ahead, tell him I sent you. And hopefully you can get a project you wanted for a while done by him. Because this turned out great. The headquarters that I have turned out fabulous. So, and I recommend going to him if you want something custom built, custom done for yourself. He'll do it for you. So, thank you all for watching. I will see you guys next time. This is Triple C. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.